Whenever you are, Michelangelo. Mike, turn around. Let's get this on the camera. Look at this. This is Mike. What is it today?
January 31st.
January 31st, 2013. Mike, getting ready to go in the water. Look how everybody's dressed. Cannonball, Mike. And don't forget there's a ledge.
I know.
Don't want you to fuck your toes up again like...
Happy about this or what? How are you going to get out?
Look at that. Wedgie. Wedgie.
Put yourself up over this. Ready to close my eyes?
Straight wedgie. Buck cheeks clenched. Arms cocked back. Off she goes on her way. Oh yeah. Okay.
Is it cold, bro?
How's that?
Fuck yeah.
There you go.